What's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, currency. Currently, Litecoin price action interacting with what appears to be support down below. We do have strong technical buy pressure coming off of $144 per Litecoin. This is going to be a key level we are looking for continued buy pressure coming off of because we are under the influence of significant technical sell pressure still, it would appear, in addition to price action slightly too close to resistance overhead as well. $165 per Litecoin is going to be an area of resistance and sell pressure waiting for us overhead once we have regained support and can continue the uptrend. Several factors of technical significance overhead suggesting sell pressure are going to be the underside of this 200 daily moving average currently at $171. We also have the 0.382 FIBA Illuminati level at $172, in addition to the key level at $177 do suggest all factors of potential resistance overhead that we will have to conquer and perhaps confirm as support. So that is going to be a range to watch out for between $165 all the way up to $177. So right now we are under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the middle of November here. Technically, our robo advisors have been bearish on downside as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation, which if $144 were to fail to hold price action and we were to fall downward here, the strongest area of support and accumulation waiting for us is still going to be $114 per Litecoin. In my opinion, that is going to be an area of buy pressure and support waiting for us if we were to continue any sort of short-term downside here. I personally am long-term bullish on the uptrend overall. Investing in Litecoin would still be bullish at these levels. However, from a trader's perspective, perhaps further confirmations of support or interactions downward may need to occur here before we can become more bullish on comfortable accumulation. So right now we are awaiting buy signals to return. This combination of robo advisors has allowed you to experience what appears to be up to 77% in upside after the buy 1 and buy 4 confirmations throughout the end of July. And if you weren't able to capitalize on that swing high, you were still able to close your position with 36% ROI when our robo advisors became bearish throughout the beginning of September. After those sell signals, prices did experience what appears to be up to 21% in downside before becoming bullish again, and our most recent interaction with robo advisors has allowed us to accumulate throughout the beginning of October, experience what appears to be up to 65% in upside over the following 35 days. However, EngineeringRobo has suggested you consider a take profit at or above $204, allowing you to capitalize on 14% ROI from the buy signals. And as you can see, since our most recent sell suggestions, price action has experienced up to 36% in downside over the following several weeks here, still currently more than 24% down at current levels since those self-suggestions. So EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit. And so we are awaiting 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish here just to begin accumulation. Technically, this buy 1 that came into play on the 3rd of November is still bullish on continued upside here. So once a second robo advisor becomes bullish, we can use that to better determine our areas of accumulation moving forward. Let me know your thoughts on Litecoin currently at current levels. Look out for support down below. Keep in mind the resistance overhead waiting for us now. Coin symbol CELO. Price action interacting with some key levels here. We do see support down below. We need daily candles opening and closing with their wicks and bodies above $3.89 to confirm this area as a bullish area of accumulation and support here for us. We do see that occurring on the 19th of December, so we need daily candles looking like that, continuing to open and close above this key level here to use it as a bullish area of accumulation as we hold against significant technical sell pressure. It would appear the underside of this 200 daily moving average is giving us a hard time, and we do have bearish robo advisors ever since the middle of November here, suggesting a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself here, and perhaps further confirmations of support may need to occur here. So we're looking for continued buy pressure above $3.89 if support is confirmed. My immediate short-term target here is going to be $5.60 as the strongest area of resistance waiting for us overhead. That is going to be my immediate short-term target here once support is confirmed down below. However, if we fail fail to hold key levels below current levels, I'm awaiting accumulation near $2.78. That is going to be the next area of support. Price action may fall toward here if we were to experience any sort of continued downside, as we are still under the influence of sell suggestions. And so this combination of robo advisors did allow you to accumulate near support at $2.83. We have two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on upside. After accumulation, prices experienced up to 286% in gains over the following 25 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, technically our robo advisors became bearish throughout the beginning of September, suggesting you close your position above or at $4.12, allowing you to still capitalize on 45% ROI after accumulation. This most recent interaction with buy and sell suggestions suggested accumulation near the $7.13 level after a quick 16% in upside. For technical resistance overhead, giving price action a hard time, perhaps suggested significant sell pressure enough to consider some downside here. And after about 14% in downside from our buy signals, some sell signals came into play at the $6.11 level. And if you weren't able to sell at those sell suggestions, price action proceeded to experience up to 49% in downside, still currently over 29% down at current levels since those sell suggestions. So we are awaiting the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation supported by some buy signals. We do have support down below here. I would like further interactions with it to further solidify it as support. Let me know your thoughts on price action though down below now. Coin symbol ATM. Price action interacting with these key levels here. We do see a very bullish interaction with buy pressure coming off of what appears to be key level $6.54. However, resistance overhead, significant sell pressure present at $8.53 is going to be the key level we need to break and confirm as support here to become more comfortably bullish on continued gains. We also would like another buy signal to come into play. We do have one of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on the December 20th daily candle here. This buy 2 has come into play. We need one more robo advisor to become more comfortably bullish on accumulation, and I would like price action to be above support to accumulate as well. So I'm looking for daily candles opening and closing above $8.53 here to confirm that as support. My immediate short-term target for any continued upside when support has been confirmed is going to be $14.10. That is going to be the next area of resistance we will have to interact with, break, and perhaps confirm as support. The strongest area of buy pressure waiting for us down below, though, if we were to experience any sort of continued downside, as we are under the influence of sell signals technically still, the strongest area of support is waiting for us at $5.18. That is where buy pressure is likely to come into play. And so technically we have been under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the end of August here, around the $16.67 level, and price action has experienced up to 62% in downside over the following several months here before becoming bullish again, and we are awaiting further parameters to be met to become comfortably bullish on continued gains. Buy pressure is definitely coming into play with this most recent daily candle here. We just need another buy signal to come into play as well, and price action above support in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts on price action though. What are you doing with this coin at current levels? Now, Ethereum. Price action interacting with key levels still. We do see buy pressure bringing prices above this area of support, $3,923 per Ethereum. This is going to be the level we need daily candles opening and closing above with this wicks and bodies to further confirm as support. We also see technical significance present near that level with the 0.786 Fibonacci rigatoni line, suggesting technical buy pressure present as well. And as you can see with these last about week of daily candles, the buy pressure is very much in play. So we do not need further parameters to be met, in my opinion, to become more bullish on comfortable accumulation. There are still sell signals present, suggesting perhaps a more bullish area of accumulation is to present itself. I personally am very bullish on continued upside, suggested by the overall uptrend, suggested by the 200 daily moving average. Price action is very much in an uptrend and wants to continue upward here. However, technically we just may not be ready yet. So the strongest area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $3,414 per Ethereum. That is a bullish area of accumulation I can still anticipate interaction with before breaking the strongest area of resistance overhead, $4,626. We're also looking out for an interaction with $4,287. I personally anticipate interaction with Ethereum above the $7,000 level if we consider the fear and greed index here. I personally anticipate Ethereum interacting with $7,897 here before any sort of significant fundamental downside is is to be expected. So let me know your thoughts on Ethereum down below. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin interacting with resistance overhead. It would appear I have cleaned up the Bitcoin chart, reduced the sort of presence of these key levels. We do have the most significant ones overall still in play. $48,577 per Bitcoin interacting with us as resistance. We do need daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support. We do see the buy pressure is very much present and in play, and Bitcoin is very much bullish. However, technically, sell pressure overhead may require further interaction with support before we can become, more bullish on the recovery of the overall uptrend still in play, in my opinion. Looking at technical bullish buy pressure all the way down at $43,000 per Bitcoin. We also have the 0.618 Fibonacci monopoly level at $44,086 per Bitcoin, still suggesting further technical significance there for us. So in my opinion, we are still bullish on accumulation down below. We are just awaiting buy signals to come into play to become more comfortably bullish on the continued upside. So there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, only better times. And we are looking at some of the most bullish times to be accumulating Bitcoin with anticipation of continued gains here, because I still very much anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin. The $150,000 level is still going to be my target here before any sort of significant downside is to be considered. So based on these current parameters, I am still bullish on Bitcoin. Let me know down below your thoughts on cryptocurrency currently. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.